Hey guys, what's up? So OnePlus has started hyping the OnePlus 9 series by teasing some of its features like always. In fact, they've even shared the looks of the 9 Pro in the morning mist color before the launch itself. As you can see, it's nothing different from the leaks and renders that we have been seeing. In fact, the photos shared by Dave2D a few weeks ago appear to be the real deal. The phone looks stunning in this morning mist color, and Pete Love says that the process of getting this finish on glass takes 30 steps and 25 days. Now, apart from the morning mist, the OnePlus 9 Pro will be available in green and black, while the 9 will be offered in purple, blue and black. I'm really liking the finish that OnePlus is using here, and unlike morning mist, the other color options might come with a matte finish. They've also shared some camera samples captured from the phone, and they look really good. Like, the colors do look amazing. In fact, they have even improved the video with DOL HDR, which is said to be even more powerful with backlighting and reducing noise. Coming to the hardware, the phones will get a customized Sony IMX789 sensor as the primary 48MP camera, along with the 50MP IMX766 as the ultra-wide. Both the phones will be able to shoot 4K at 120fps, 8K at 30fps and 12-bit RAW format. The 9 Pro will also get an 8MP telephoto along with the 2MP depth, while the 9 will likely get a telephoto camera along with the two main sensors. Apart from the camera, OnePlus has also focused a lot on the display of the OnePlus 9 Pro, which has been rated an A+ by displaymate. It's going to be a 10-bit display with 2K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. Also, it will come with 8192 levels of brightness. The phone will use an LTPO backplane, which, if you don't know, is an advanced technology that can be used to dynamically vary the refresh rate of the display. Another interesting update is that unlike other LTPO displays on phones such as the Galaxy S21 Ultra that can only go till 10Hz at the lowest, the OnePlus 9 Pro will be able to drop all the way down to 1Hz, which essentially means that the phone will be able to save a lot more power with features such as always on display. In fact, the company claims that by doing this, the power consumed by the display can be reduced by 50%. Now that of course depends on the specific use case, so in reality you will get lower than that. It covers 139% of the sRGB color space and can go as high as 1655 nits and comes with a 360Hz touch sampling rate. Now both the phones will get a 4500 mAh battery and will ship with a 65W charger in the box, whereas wireless charging will be supported at 50W for the 9 Pro and 30W for the OnePlus 9. The company will likely announce a new 50W charging adapter that looks to be inspired by the Oppo 50W Mini SuperVOOC power brick, which was announced last year. They will also hold blind box sales for European customers, where you need to pay 1100 euros for a OnePlus 9 or 9 Pro along with some cool accessories. In India, you can purchase the OnePlus 9 series gift bundle by paying 4000 rupees, which will get you a OnePlus Urban Traveler backpack, a OnePlus 9 series bucket hat along with a 4000 rupees voucher to buy the phone. So you pay 4000 rupees, but you get it back in the form of the voucher. So only purchase this if you are sure that you want to buy the phone later. OnePlus has also announced a 2-year warranty for the 9 series phones, as people generally tend to keep their phones for 2 years, which is a nice touch, and you should be able to get your phone fixed for free if anything goes wrong with it. Of course, it won't cover physical damages. It has been confirmed for China as of now, but it should be similar for other markets as well. So that's it for this video. Do tell me your opinions about these phones in the comments section and smash the like button while you're at it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech videos. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.